Cretinism, characterized by mental retardation and deaf mutism, are among the manifestations of moderate to severe iodine deficiency disorder. Certainly, we don't want to have a mentally retarded population in the future. Iodipure is for fertility. It prevents abortion, stillbirth, fetal death in utero, and infant deaths. Iodipure is not only for mental development, but also for physical development. We produce a lot of good athletes, but not champions. Athletes are sent to compete overseas, but they come back with just a certificate of appearance. No gold, no silver, not even a bronze medal. This does not mean that they are not well trained. They are. They certainly are, but they lose because of lack of stamina. Why? Because of lack of iodine. With Iodipure, run your own race. Don't just stay an audience. This summarized the advantages of using Iodipure. Prevent goiter or iodine deficiency disorder, prevent cretinism, prevent abortion, and raise your IQ. IQ up in every home. Iodipure iodine concentrate is for mental and physical development. Iodipure is the product just for you. Could be in bottles or in sachet. The bottle is very handy. Bring it along with you at all times and place it in your pocket. Then, place 4 drops in every 200 ml or regular size glass of water or juice or beverage. The sachet is to be poured and mixed completely into a 5-gallon container of water. Could be purified or boiled as long as it's potable. So, with just 8 glasses of water a day, IQ up ka na. This innovation is very Filipino, and its goal is to serve as an income-generating project or a livelihood project for Baguio Hope and Renaissance. Baguio Hope and Renaissance has a vision and a mission which is very noble, and it is for H, to put up the home for the aged, O, orphanage and home for the underprivileged youth, P, philanthropic services for the disabled and the oppressed, and E, ecumenism for Christian unity and love. And Renaissance? Renaissance means rebirth or rehabilitation of this underprivileged. Use Iodipure iodine concentrate to provide iodinated, oxygenated, and healthy water and help build the home. As you drink iodinated, oxygenated, healthy water with Iodipure, you save your life, you save your kidneys, you save your environment, and you sponsor an underprivileged individual. Iodipure is also for development. It is a project with a conscience because it helps you earn a living and you sponsor other health projects too. Open your eyes, your mind, and your heart. Start promoting Iodipure now. Helen Keller once said, "What is worse than being blind? It is having sight, but having no vision at all." Start using Iodipure. Start promoting Iodipure. You can make a difference in your lives. Be a part of this noble and challenging program for humanity. In Matthew's Gospel, whatever you do to the least of your brethren, you do it to me. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Mabuhay tayong lahat.